a stunning and magnificent home on large corner lot in the Legends of Portland, Texas. This gorgeous home shows pride of ownership throughout, and the floor plan offers so much space. The foyer will lead you past a private office room with French doors for added privacy and then into an open layout floor plan. The spacious downstairs living area grants access to the formal dining area as well as the oversized kitchen with beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinets. The kitchen is sure to delight the chef and everyone. The oversized owner's suite is complete with an en-suite master bathroom that boasts a garden tub, separate shower, and a large walk-in closet. A second living area upstairs provides ample room to entertain. 3 secondary bedrooms, also upstairs, and the office downstairs allow for plenty of room for family and friends.